Good morning and welcome to Queensland, Scenic Rim. So yeah, yesterday we were in Queensland and then we come back across the border to stay at Woodenbong, and now we're going back across the border into Scenic Rim where we haven't been before. And yeah, all the border things like back there, they got like a checkpoint sort of set up there from back in the old days. I guess they used to use it to stop people bringing sugarcane or banana plants probably. So yeah, so we're 20 minutes out of Woodenbong, and we're heading sort of towards Brisbane. I don't know exactly which way we're going to go for once we get down here, but this has been a real mad drive. It's all been like rainforest and stuff, and we saw a big dead snake and a potteroo, and yeah, so 124 k's to Brisbane, and yeah, we'll see you when we find a lookout or something so we can look at Mount Lindsay, which is just there. You can sort of see the top of it there.
Trees,
it's really cool looking. So yeah, we'll find a better view anyway. Oh man, she's a windy old road, eh? I think this is Mount Lindsay Road, and it's a really good drive. There's been like, I don't know, more than 100 caravans coming up the mountain going on holidays because it's Easter Friday today. So yeah, it's been cool as. We kind of missed the lookout, but we're looking for another one. So we'll see how we go, because Mount Lindsay's like over here now. So yeah, we'll see how we go. It says there's a caravan park here somewhere, so we might get a view from down here at Rathdowney, apparently we're going to now. So yeah, we'll see you when we find somewhere. Right, so we made it to Rathdowney, and this is the Logan River just in front of us where it comes out of the mountains here. And yeah, we missed all the lookouts for Mount Tambourine.
Mount Lindsay.
Oh, Mount Lindsay, was it? Yeah. So I'll just steal a photo off Google and put it in here for you. And yeah, that's what it looked like anyway. So we're going to drive through Rathdowney now. We just come into the town and stopped at the rest stop to have a leak. And then we're going to go out towards Ipswich and kind of go around Brisbane instead of through Brisbane. And then we're not sure where we're going to go after Ipswich. We might go in to see Sarah's parents in North Brisbane, or we might go out to Esk and just go around Brisbane altogether. So we'll find out when we get there anyway.
See it a bit better when we go around the bend, but it's a cool mountain here.
Yeah, I think that's Mount Barney, but I'm not sure. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So, and I forget where we were going now.
Towards Boona.
Towards Boona, yeah. So we go through Boona to Ipswich. Man, this road's been bad.
Oh yeah.
It's got a bit better now, but it might as well have just been a dirt road that first like 10 k's.
Yeah, wish I could.
So yeah, hopefully another 20 minutes or something we'll be at Boona.
Welcome to Boona.
Yeah, so this is Boona, and it's a cool little like farming town, eh?
Yeah, it's nice.
How close we are to Brisbane, eh? It's like you're in the middle of nowhere.
Does
So-
feel really rural, yeah.
Yeah, we almost just got pulled over for a random breath test, but he pulled the car in front in and then waved us through, and then pulled in all the cars behind us as well. So perks of driving a motorhome, eh? Could have had some wines this morning.
But look, we didn't get held up, so
So yeah, now we're gonna keep going and find the road to Ipswich. Where I'm not sure which way to go here. That sign doesn't have Ipswich on it.
maybe I should Google Maps it.
This one's Gold Coast and Bow Desert. Maybe this is it. I really don't know. Anyway, we'll find out, and we'll see you at Ipswich. Oh yeah, this sign says Ipswich.
Yeah. Ipswich, 48
48 kilometres.
Cool.
Alright, so we made it to Ipswich, which is just out the back of Brisbane, and it's on the Bremer River here, which flows down that way and becomes Brisbane River at Red Bank. And yeah, we're just driving through. We're gonna stop here, have lunch, and then go to Sarah's mum's place at Brisbane, I think. So yeah, we'll see you after lunch. Oh, it's Coltrane. Right, so we left Ipswich and now we're in Brisbane. That might not look like it. We're going through the gap behind
This is
Mount Cootha.
Gap Creek Road.
Yeah, so
It's really nice through here.
it's a pretty cool drive.
Yeah.
And this will like kind of shortcut having to go like actually through Brisbane.
Whoa.
I wish they didn't put big speed humps all along here though.
All our crockeries are
Yeah,
up.
all our stuff's jumping in the back.
Yeah.
So should be right though, we'll just have to go a bit easier over it. But yeah, it's a cool drive. Might even see a koala if we get really lucky. Like really
Yeah, I doubt it.
like win a lotto lucky. But they are around here.
Yeah.
Right, so we've been at Sarah's parents over here in Albany Creek, and now we're gonna keep going up the highway and see how far we get tonight. Well, I've just noticed there's a big wet spot here and there's some drips, and it kind of looks like it's coming from the water pump. So I don't know yet. I'll top it up and then we'll just have to check it every couple of hours and find out what's going on. So that's no fun. But yeah, once we get up to Bundaberg we can fix it anyway. I've got a water pump sitting there, and yeah, it's not the most fun job, but I guess it's better than the head gasket or something else like that. So anyway, we'll see you either on the way or in Tyro or Bundaberg or wherever we end up. Alright, so we're like about 2 hours north of Brisbane now, and it's got dark, and this is Gympie. And it's weird coming to Gympie because you used to have to come to Gympie, but now you don't have to. So it's quiet as, because they built like a bypass around Gympie. So we're just ordering some dinner, and then we'll check that water, make sure that leak hasn't got too bad, and then we got about another 2 hours to get to Bundaberg. Bundaberg. Oh yeah, and it's funny, Gympie spelt like gym pie, so I reckon you should call it gym pie. Yeah, it's a heaps better name. Alright, we'll see you when we get to Bundaberg or something exciting happens. Right, so it's the next day and we're in Bundaberg and cruising around with the old man in the old panel van, and we just dropped all the gearbox linkages off the gearbox, so we had to go to Repco and get underneath and fix it, which was fun. But yeah,
You gotta come around this side.
oh yeah, it only unlocks from the passenger side.
It's business.
Yeah, because it's a commercial. For some reason they don't put locks on the driver's side. There's like no hole.
Stop people opening the passenger driver's side with sort of the parcels.
Ah, okay.
Get
There you
themselves
go.
Run over.
So yeah, that's about it for today anyway. And we're going to hang around in Bundaberg for Easter, and then do some maintenance on the Wombat, and then see where we end up after that.